Engineering courses at university teach technical skills like how to design a bridge or a complicated electrical circuit. They did not generally focus on the practical construction and project management skills used by construction companies to deliver big, complicated and messy infrastructure projects. Engineers with these skills are always in high demand as governments pump more and more money into these major infrastructure projects. As you start your career in engineering and construction, you'll most likely find yourself in challenging jobs where you need to take ownership of the delivery of a complicated scope of works. You'll have to do everything from managing the design and procurement, developing the project schedule and identifying the critical path, and completing all of the quality assurance documentation to ensure your package of works is ready to be handed over to the client. University doesn't prepare you for this, and people can be thrown into jobs where it's scary and stressful when they're thrown in the deep end. In response to this gap, EngLearn has developed quick and concise construction management courses that teach the fundamental construction management skills and techniques used by Tier 1 contractors on major infrastructure projects. I've gone through this journey myself. I started off as a graduate engineer at a major contractor and quickly realised there was a massive gap in my learning. I had to develop cost estimates, prepare tender packages, manage subcontractors, and was ultimately responsible for delivering a scope of works. I was unprepared, but I did everything I could to fill in the blanks. I spoke to managers and mentors, read textbooks, and completed a diploma in project management. I soon realised my best learning experiences were when a more senior engineer sat me down for 30 minutes to explain the fundamental construction management concepts to me and showed me how to perform the tasks and let me have a go at doing it. And that's how I've structured these courses. Each course goes through the fundamental construction management principle, shows how the skills are applied, and then contains assignments and quizzes when you put the skills into actions. These assignments and activities replicate the work you would actually be doing on a construction project. The courses are broken down by skills. In this course, we cover quality and completions. These are the processes where we verify what we have built matches the client's original requirements and hand the completed construction project back to the client. The course is broken down into 4 sections. In Section 1, we'll go through an introduction to construction quality and completion. We cover an introduction and key concepts, the importance of quality and completions management, the project life cycle, what quality means, and what completions mean. Section 2 then focuses specifically on construction quality management. This is where we go through the process of how to verify that the finished product matches the original project requirements. We'll cover the quality management plan, developing a work breakdown structure, inspection and test plans, commissioning, material data records, non-conformances, the relationship between quality and design, and achieving overall effective quality management. In Section 3, we then move on to talking about how construction completions works. This is the process of handing over the project back to the client and ensuring we fulfill all of the client's original requirements. We'll talk about what completions and handover means, planning for completions, the actual handover process, and post-completion activities. Finally, in Section 4, we'll go back and cover everything we went through. We'll provide a summary of the overall topic so you can pick out any of the topics you are unfamiliar with, go back and review them. The course is full of practical, real-world content that will help you excel at your job. Each section is loaded with practical content, quizzes, template documents, downloadable resources, and assignments that reflect the type of activities you'll need to do on a real engineering project. I hope you enjoy the course and find it valuable. Any issues, concerns, or questions, please make sure you reach out and get in contact, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy.